In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Shopee Pickup Partner. We'll walk through this process together to ensure you have all the knowledge you need to get started. So let's dive in. First, we need to start by opening up a web browser, and for this guide, we'll be using Google Chrome. It's a popular and reliable option that most of you probably already have installed, so go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. It should load up quickly, and once it's open, you're going to see the familiar Google homepage where we can perform our search. Now in the search bar, type in Become Shopee's Pickup Partner and hit the Enter key. This search is going to bring up a variety of results related to partnering with Shopee as a pickup service. What you're looking for is the specific page that details the requirements and steps for joining as this particular partner. Go ahead and click on the link that seems to best fit this description, making sure it comes from a trusted and official source, like Shopee's own site. Once you click the link, you'll land on the page that outlines all the requirements and necessary steps to become an Pickup Partner. Take a moment to read through these details. This page will provide you with crucial information such as eligibility requirements, the benefits of partnering, and any necessary documentation you might need to prepare in advance. As you review this information, make notes of any specific questions or clarifications you might want to seek out from customer service or support later. And with that, you've completed the initial steps in the process. You should now have a clear idea of what becoming a Shopee Pickup Partner involves and whether it aligns with your goals or needs. That concludes today's guide. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to find and assess the information necessary to move forward with an Pickup Partner application. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out other guides for more helpful tutorials and insights. Whether you're a business owner looking to expand your logistics capabilities or just curious about the process, knowing how to gather information online is a valuable skill. Remember, technology can feel daunting, but with just a few steps, you're well on your way to mastering it. Until next time, take care.